How to withdraw USDT from OKX to Binance. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily withdraw your USDT from your OKX wallet to your Binance account. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing that you want to do here is log into your OKX wallet, and at the bottom right you will see assets. Just tap on it. Once you get to assets, you will just have to tap on the withdraw option right here and select this option, withdraw crypto. And once you select that, from here you are just going to select the USDT. And once you have done that, you are going to select a withdrawal method that is on chain. And once you have done this, here you will just have to paste your address. And for that, you just tap on the network first and select the network. You'll find different networks here, but the cheapest one is, if you scroll down, you'll find the USDT ton. And once you select your withdrawal network, then you'll have to log into your Binance app. And once you get to your Binance app, tap on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here, head over to the spot section. And once you get to spot, you will have to search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, you select a network and you just select the Ton coin as your network. Once you have selected it, you just copy the deposit address and go ahead and paste it on your OKX wallet. Once you paste your USDT address, you just go back and you will have to enter your memo node. So USDT memo, you just have to copy it from your OKX and paste it under the comment section on your OKX. So once you get here, you are just going to select the withdrawal amount and finally hit the submit button. Once you hit submit, you will be asked to confirm your purchase. Tap on confirm, and as you can see, the request has been submitted. So all you have to do is wait for some time to transaction to be complete. And that's how you easily withdraw USDT from your OKX to Binance. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.